right, let's get right into it. Today, we're going to talk about something really cool: how to take a static AI and basically give it eyes and ears on the live internet. We'll be digging into how the automation platform n8n makes all of this possible.
Right, so to really get why this is such a game changer, we first have to talk about the fundamental problem. A problem that I'm sure most of us have already bumped into.
You know that feeling, right? You ask a chatbot about something that happened last week, and it hits you with, "My knowledge cutoff is in 2022." It's a super common frustration, and it really highlights this massive limitation that most AI models are working with.
And that's the heart of the issue, isn't it? A standard AI, for all its brilliance, can't check today's stock prices. It can't analyze your competitor's new web page that just launched an hour ago. It's essentially trapped in the past, disconnected from the live, constantly changing web.
So how do we fix this?
Well, this is where we level up from a simple chatbot to an agent, an AI that doesn't just talk, but actually does things. And n8n is the platform that hands it the keys to do just that.
What's so important to notice here is the difference in the verbs. A standard AI can respond. It's a fantastic conversational partner. But an n8n agent, it can take action. It can go out and query a live API. It can update your CRM. It can fire off an email. It's the difference between an analyst who just writes a report and an assistant who actually goes and executes the plan. And this user, Ollie Scares, just nails it with this quote: "n8n isn't just another little tool, it's the big unlock." Think of it as the bridge that lets your AI safely step out of its little chat box and into your real-world, day-to-day business processes. So how does n8 actually do this? How does it provide that unlock? Well, it gives your AI agent a whole toolbox, just packed with different ways to connect to the live internet. Let's take a look inside. And this is what makes it so easy to get started. I mean, right out of the box, n8n has these pre-built tools for the biggest information sources on the web. You can give your agent live Google search with SerpAPI, you can have it do deep research with AI, or even run complex math with Wolfram Alpha. And if you need a privacy-first option, no problem, there's SearXNG. It's all just there, ready to go. I really love this analogy from Nanbing because it perfectly captures what it feels like. With all these integrations ready at your fingertips, it really is like having a Swiss Army knife for connecting your AI to, well, pretty much anything. But okay, what happens if you need to connect to a service that doesn't have one of those pre-built nodes? This is where the HTTP request tool becomes your secret weapon. It lets you connect to basically any REST API out there. So say you wanted to use a live search service like Tavily. This tool makes that possible. Now, just a heads up, the specifics on Tavily are outside our source material here, but the principle is what's crucial. With this tool, your automation is pretty much limitless. Okay, so having a toolbox is great, but you also need someone smart who knows which tool to use and when to use it. And that, my friends, is where orchestration comes in.
I'd like you to meet the AI agent node in n8n. This thing is the absolute heart of the whole operation. It's not just another step in a process. It's the brain. It's the conductor of the orchestra, the project manager that directs everything. And the way it works is both super simple and incredibly powerful. You just give the agent the goal. The agent then thinks, okay, to get this done, what's the best tool I've got? It might decide a Google search is the first step, so it figures out the best query, runs the search, gets the data, and then puts it all together into a final, coherent answer for you. And that word right there is the key: autonomously. This isn't just some dumb 1-2-3 script. The agent can actually look at the results of what it just did and decide if it needs to do something else. It might do a Google search, find a name, and then think, I should probably look this person up on Wikipedia, all without you having to tell it to. It's a real reasoning loop.
This kind of power and control is exactly what users like Androve are so excited about. You get this amazing combination of low-code simplicity, but with the power to self-host and have total control, which for developers is an absolute dream. So, when you put it all together, you've got the amazing toolbox and the intelligent brain to run it. You really start to enter a whole new world of automation. This visual really says it all, doesn't it? The magic happens right at that intersection between integration, the power to connect to anything, and intelligence, the AI's ability to reason about what to do next. That's the core of n8n's power. And this is the big takeaway. With a setup like this, you're not just having a conversation with an AI anymore. You're not just doing Q&A. You are deploying a tireless, autonomous workforce of researchers and analysts and assistants that work for you 24/7. I think Maxim Paulson just captures the whole spirit of this perfectly. The platform gives you all the power and flexibility you could ask for. After that, the only real limit is what you can imagine building with it. So I guess that leaves us with one final, really exciting question to think about. Once you give your AI the power to see and act on the world as it's happening right now, what's the very first thing you're going to ask it to do? The possibilities are just endless.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to n8n Tech Hub for practical AI.